In this video, we'll make this spool. So open your Fusion and let's go. First, go to Create a Sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 70 millimeters of diameter, and another one here with 55 millimeter of diameter. That's okay. Select a line, construction line, make a line here from this point to this point. Go to Sketch Dimension. The distance here is 99 millimeters. Okay. Now go to create and select arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here. Remove the construction, okay. And make another one here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 130 millimeters. And here too, 130 millimeters. No problem, you can pick it, okay. Go to constraint and select tangent. Select this line and this arc here. And select this line and this arc here. If you have this problem, don't worry. Just go to constraint, select coincident, select this point here and this arc. That's okay. We have this, okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, okay. We will extrude this 40 millimeters, and the taper angle will be 10. And operation new body, press OK. Now go to modify and select shell, select this face here. The inside thickness is 1 millimeters. Direction inside and press OK. Now go to modify and select fillet. Select this inside edge here, 3 millimeters. Okay. Go to edge selection set, select this edge here, 3 millimeters. And press OK. Now go to construct and select plane along the path. That's okay. Select this edge here, press OK. No problem. You can take any place here, okay. Just need to be this edge, don't worry. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane here. Go to create and select the project include project, select this edge here and press OK. We can hide the body here. That's okay. Now select line, make a line here with 5 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical. Okay. Select line again, make a rectangle here, 2 millimeters. 5 millimeters here, 2 millimeters, okay. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this point here and this point and this line, sorry, and this, the midpoint here is 2 millimeters. Okay. Now go to modify, select fillet, select this edge here and this edge. The fillet here is 1 millimeters. Press OK. Finish the sketch. You can show the component here, no problem, the body. Now go to create and select sweep. Select the profile here. And the path is this edge here. Okay. Operation join, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select fillet, okay. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Go to edge selection set, select this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeter. press OK. We have this, okay. Now press letter A on the keyboard and choose any color for you. I will choose blue color, okay. Click here, edit. Done. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.